Hi everyone, I asked on Instagram if you would like to see a spring makeup tutorial. I posted a picture of this makeup look and a bunch of you said you would like to see it. So as promised, here it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I have already prepped my skin with some serum and some moisturizer, and that has been settling into my skin for the last 30 minutes. So we're ready for the first product now. The first product is Wonderglow by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a beautiful soft focus primer. It has a slight shimmer to it as well. I'm just going to buff this in using a 187 MAC brush. That primer is actually one of my favourite products. You can instantly see the shine and the lift to my skin already, and it has that nice dewy glow as well that I enjoy. For my base, I'm taking my Bare Minerals Tinted Hydrating Cream Gel and just the Beauty Blender sponge as well to buff that into the skin. This product I've been using for years, absolute staple in my makeup bag. So guys, that is the base that we're working with at the minute, quite dewy and fresh. I'm actually using all cream products today because it is a spring makeup look and I just want that freshness. So the Bare Minerals and the primer, they are not full coverage products, so you can see my skin through the product as well, which is what I like for spring and my makeup in general. I don't really like a full heavy face of makeup. That's just my personal preference. So yeah, that's the base done, and now we're going to start on the eyes. For eye makeup today, I'm using the Naked Tree palette. This palette is years old now. It's so battered up. I've actually broken the mirror on the inside as well. It's just so old. I meant to get a replacement, but I just never got around to it. So it comes with a brush. I'm just going to use the brush that's in here, and I'm going to use the colour Limit all over my eye. And then the second shade I'm going to use is called Newer, and it's a bit of a darker mauve pink, just a matte colour with no shimmer. This is the MAC 224 blending brush, and whatever is left on the brush I just sweep underneath my eyes as well. I think that's enough eyeshadow for this look because we are going for a vivid lip. So I'll leave the eyeshadow there for now, and I'm just going to add a layer of mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. At this point I'm going to add a little concealer as well, just on the spots that I do have showing at the minute. Just kind of here on my chin is my biggest problem area. So I'm just going to take the Bare Minerals BAREPRO concealer and just add a little bit of cover up just on that spot there. For blusher today, I'm using a new one from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is in the colour Strawberry Drip. It's a cream blusher. Just taking a little bit on my finger, I'm just going to start applying. Can be a little alarming when it first comes out, but once it's blended in, it is a nice product. I'll just grab my sponge then and just blend that in quickly. So you can see that looks a lot more presentable now, not as pink. For a highlighter today, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Beauty Light Wand, and this is in the colour Champagne. And I used the MAC brush that I used for the primer to buff that out. For lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lipstick, and this is in the shade Candy Venom. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous pink colour. I think I'll add a little bit more of the blush now. I think I'm fine with the eyeshadow. I'll just need a little bit more pink on the cheeks, tone in a little bit better. This is like a gorgeous iridescent tone to this blusher as well. I love it. So everyone, this is the finished makeup look. I love the dewy undertones, and I just think the pink is really fresh and it just lifts up the whole look. I love a bright lip anyway. And the eyes are kind of done like a smoky, slightly smoky, not too much taken away from the lips, but just a little bit of a hint of deepness there, which I really like.